Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to show you how to make your VK profile private using the VK app on your phone. If you value your online privacy and want to control who can see your content, first, open the VK app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the three-line menu. Then, at the top right corner, tap on the three dots to open More Options. From the menu that appears, tap on Settings. Now, tap on Privacy to access your account's privacy controls. Scroll down until you find the option for Private Profile. Turn this option on, and a confirmation message will appear. Finally, click on Make Private Anyway to confirm your choice. Your profile is now private, and only approved friends will be able to see your posts and activity. By following these steps, you can ensure your account remains secure and private. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more useful tutorials.